Hey folks, hope you're doing well today. Say I wanted to make a correction in my last video about these floppy turn signals. I did not give the correct pitch on this threaded rod. I said that this was an M10 by 1.25, which it is not. This is actually M10 by 1.0. And the reason why I wanted to make the correction is that the nuts, if you want to buy these flange nuts in 1.0 pitch, they are fairly difficult to find. And also, like on a company like Fastenal, you have to have a commercial account to buy the 1.0 pitch threaded nut. So, but the kit that I bought, which I'll leave a link for this in the description, it does come with these coupling nuts. And what I did was I took one of these coupling nuts, cut it in half with my hacksaw, and it also comes with these lock washers. So now you can have instead of having it won't get started. Instead of having a thin nut like this that comes with the kit, you can have something where you can get a little bit more bite on it. So I apologize for the misinformation, and I hope that this helps you out if you take this route with this little modification I did. Like I said, you can just take this coupling nut and cut it in half with your hacksaw, and you have 4 nuts. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Like I said, I hope this was helpful. Hope this was informative. We will see you next time. It works. Good fix. Adios.